So you've decided to sell your home? What would you do first? You might find a realtor. No, that costs too much. You could promote it yourself, post it on Facebook. You could call for sale by owner. Now let's get to the meat and potatoes. So you want to check your curb appeal. Want to make sure you have recent paint, nice gutters, windows. Want to make sure the front doors are in good condition, doorbell works. You got an address that is readable and a welcome mat in the front, and that your driveway has no cracks or holes in the asphalt. Take a look at that entryway, the walkways. You might plant a few trees and shrubs and make sure your lawn has been cut. You could have colorful flowers out front, maybe shrubs around the front. And you got to get those toys and any additional equipment cleared out of the front lawn. So from here, you want to plan the visit like you would a buyer coming to your home. Critique each room. You might get a home inspection, make sure there's no issues you have to worry about. Hire a contractor if you need one for special projects. Hold a yard sale and donate those extra items that you don't need. Clean and declutter your home. You want to scrub the tile in the bathroom and in the kitchen. This might be something where you bring in a professional that will do everything from scratch. Get your hardwood floors cleaned, carpets, drapes, all of that stuff cleaned. No dust bunnies. Repair cracks and holes in the walls, interior, ceiling, etc. Paint your walls neutral colors. Bright red, bright blue, not good. Remove excess furniture. Want your house to look spacious and something they could easily move into. Organize your closets and remove toys and appliances. Remove the family photos and any collections you have. Get your knickknacks and medications put away. Make sure you secure valuables. Showcase your home's best features. Remove rugs from the hardwood floors and open those drapes, let the light in. Show beautiful views, stage your furniture and plants. If you have a fireplace, I'd make sure it's working, might even have it turned on. And whatever you do, make sure you clean the backyard. Showcase your bath and showcase your beautiful kitchen. Mop, wax, and clean your floors. Make sure all those counters are cleared off. You don't have a bunch of appliances clogging them up. Replace any outdated hardware. Oops, outdated hardware. Clean and organize your pantry, cabinets, and drawers. So make sure you replace your old caulking and that you remove the stains in the bathtub, the sink, and the toilet. And please, please leave the toilet seat down. Also hang some fresh towels in the bathroom. Now let's appeal to the senses. Fresh baked cookies, scented candles, cinnamon and nutmeg in a pan boiling on the stove. All of those things are going to make it smell really beautiful coming into your home. If you're holding an open house, light refreshments are great. Want to make sure you have high wattage bulbs to showcase your home and lighten it up. Make sure you turn on all the lights, and if you can, open the windows for fresh air. Open any drapes or blinds and let in that beautiful light. And also, if you've got a great view of the outside, might want to make sure your TV is turned off, you relocate your pets, and there's no smoking in the home. Finally, there are pictures and there are professional pictures. Make sure you have professional pictures taken of your home, 35 millimeter or better. So guys, for 10 free 35 millimeter professionally done pictures, click the link below. And by the way, check out my next video for an even better way to showcase your home.